In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scheduled backups in N8N. By the end, you'll have automatic backups running on a schedule that fits your workflow, helping protect your automations and settings so you can recover quickly if something goes wrong. Start by opening your N8N dashboard in the browser. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to access administrative settings. If you're self-hosted, confirm that your instance is up and responsive before moving on. It's also a good idea to keep a stable internet connection throughout, especially if your dashboard is remote. From the dashboard, head to Settings, then open the Backup section. Depending on your version or setup, you may find these options under Workflow Settings, but the idea is the same. You're looking for the area where you can manage backups and their timing. Take a moment to review any on-screen descriptions so you understand what will be included in the backup and how your environment handles storage. Next, choose Schedule Backup. This is where you set how often backups will run. Pick a frequency that matches how frequently your workflows change. If you edit or deploy new automations every day, daily backups give you a safety net without much risk of data loss between changes. If your setup is relatively stable, weekly may be enough. For heavy workloads or critical systems, you can tighten the schedule, while lighter use can be more relaxed. If the interface allows you to set the exact time, select a low traffic window so backups don't compete with important runs. Consider time zones if your team or server is in a different region, and align the schedule with any maintenance windows you already have. If there are fields to specify particular days or a time range, fill them in according to when your automations are least active. After setting the frequency, look for any visual confirmation that the schedule is active, such as a status label, a next run timestamp, or a summary of the chosen interval. This tells you that N8N will automatically handle backups at the times you specified. Keep an eye on available storage in your environment over time to ensure there's room for backup files to be created successfully. That's all there is to it. You opened your N8N dashboard, navigated to the backup settings, and set a scheduled frequency that matches your needs. Revisit these settings as your system grows or your update cadence changes, and you'll always have a current restore point ready. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.